In this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate from Redis to Valkey in AWS Elasticache. Straight to the point. So let's start. The first point I need to do is to create a parameter group for Valkey, because I'm using a custom one with a custom key and value for get notification when a key is expired. So if I open this one, I think I can find the value with, is this one. So I need to create a new parameter group. Valkey A expired notifications, for instance. Valkey A Cool, that's great. And then I'm gonna edit and see. And here I'm gonna copy and paste. Save changes. Okay, we are ready to go. So now I'm going to enter to the Redis, and then I'm gonna click here, upgrade to Valkey. Valkey is a AWS Redis fork, and it seems to be fully compatible. So I don't expect to do any change on the code or the connection string or whatever. So let's go. Break, and here I'm gonna choose the one that I create and apply immediately. Let's go. Valkey is around 20% cheaper than Redis in on-demand nodes instances, and around 30% cheaper on serverless. So let's see how many time it takes. And taking into account that this is a production one, and for high availability it is multi-AZ. So in case you do the same and you don't have enabled the multi-AZ, you will get some downtime. So keep in mind. It's about 20 minutes. Now the engine version is 8, but still modifying. So let's see how much time it takes. 24 minutes later, it disappeared from here. I guess it's on Valkey. Yeah, and it's running and available. Let's check. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna take a look at everything, but it seems to be working. Consider like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.